So do you know MrBeast has a restaurant? It's called MrBeast Burger. And we're here to try for the first time in a right country. So I ordered for 3 burgers here in their drink station. Unlimited soda. And my French fry season. And let's try. I don't know. I like the French fry. Good. Season's good. Mm. But it's pretty good. Love it. This is their burger. Try opening it. Kinda dry. Kinda dry. Let's taste it. It's good. It's not that juicy though. Yeah, not that juicy. Oh, it's spicy. Right? It's just a regular burger. Asa mas lami? Katong ikaon dili. Lami tanong kaon no? Hero? Hero? Guys, did you like it? Why?
It's too oily. It's too oil. It's too much oil. It's too much. I love mine.
You like it? What's yours?
It's a chicken sandwich.